cubic numbers means, and we've got our main man Heston here. Hi! And he's going to be teaching you guys at home how to work it out. Alright, so cubic numbers. What it will look like is, let's start with 2, okay? And you'll have a little symbol that's like that at the top. Alright, and that could also be known to the power of 3, alright? But to work out what 2 cubed would be, all you do is you do this. You go 2 times 2, which equals 4, and then you times that number by 2. So it's the same as doing what's 2 times 2, and then times 2 again. So 2 cubed equals 8. Alright, so now, what we're going to do, Heston, are you ready? We're now going to do what is 3 cubed. So let's work this out together, okay? So write 3 with that number in it. Right, so what's 3 times 3?
9.
Very good. And now, can you times that number by 3?
27.
Absolutely amazing. So what is 3 cubed?
3 cubed is 27.
Absolutely incredible. Alright, so that is how you work out what cubic numbers are, and you could do that with any type of number, but obviously when you go past 3, it gets very big numbers, alright? So try it at home, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye!